Okay, in our lesson 12, multiplication division facts, it says session 3. Okay, and we're going to be using a multiplication table, which we kind of covered that a little bit already. All right. It says use counters to model the division fact below, then write the related multiplication fact. Okay. So if I was going to use like equal groups, how many groups would I have? 4. How many in each group? 2. Okay. Now what would be my obviously? So how many total? Oops. 8. So what would be my multiplication equation? Okay, my multiplication equation. Multiplication. Okay, whoa, hold on. When it's division, I start with the total. When it's multiplication, I use the other two factors. What are the other two numbers that's besides 8? Those are the ones that I multiply. Okay? Like this. Okay, so look, if it's just 8 divided by 4 equals 2, then go backwards. 2 times 4 equals 8. So 2 times 4 equals 8. Okay. The first number in a division problem is my product, okay, or answer in a multiplication equation. It says complete the facts, okay? 2 times something equals 10. 24 divided by 6 is something. Okay, squared times 6 is 48, and then something divided by 1 is 8, okay? All right, so if I was going to use my chart like this, the first one is 2 times 10, right? So I'm going to go where? 2, straight across the 10, and go straight up. What is it? 5. 24 divided by 6. Here's my chart. 24 divided by 6 is 5. 6 times 5 is 30. See? So 24, it was 24 divided by 6, right? So I'm going to go to 6 right here, go straight across the 24, whoops, and go straight up. What is it? 4. Yeah. And then I have something times 6 equals 48, so go to my chart. Where do I start? Right here on the left hand side. 6. And I go to all the way across to what? 48, and then go straight up, I get 8. It's got to be a straight line. Not like this. Okay, and then the last one, something divided by 1 equals 8. So here's my chart. Here's 1, right? Goes all the way across to 8 and goes straight up. What is it? 8. Says you can use a multiplication table to find the numbers in multiplication and division facts. A multiplication table shows both multiplication and division fact families. Okay, so use the table. We're going to use this to solve these problems. Okay, use the table above to complete the fact family. Okay, so the multiplication table shows the 3 numbers that belong to the fact family. 4 2 times something equals 10. Okay, look at the row for 2. So here's the row for 2, right? Go all the way across to 10 and go straight up. What's the number at the top? Okay, 5. So what's the missing number? 5. 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And then 10 divided by 5 is 2. Okay. Look at page 263. It says, look at the multiplication table. What are the 3 numbers in the fact family? 24 divided by 6. Well, go back to the table. 24 divided by 6, right? Is 6. Go to 24 and go straight up. What's the number at the top?
4.
Okay. So to fill in the blank, 24 divided by 6 is 4. Do number 2. Use the chart. What's missing in the blank? So yeah, now fill in the blank? You said 8 because 8 times 6 is 48. Oh, we did this one already. What's missing here? 8 again, because 8 divided by 1 is 8. Okay. Okay, it says use the multiplication table, okay, to write the equations in the fact families that includes 42 and 6 and 6. So what number am I missing? I have to use the chart. So on the left column, which number am I looking for? What? 6, right? Can't be 42 because it only goes 1 through 10. Okay, so 6. Okay, I go straight across to 42 and then go straight up. What's the number at the top? 7. Okay, 7. So that's what the number that I'm missing. 7. I wrote it up there. So what would be my multiplication equation with those 3 numbers? 6 times 7. What would be my other one?
7 times 6.
Hold on. Let me do it this way like that. So you said 6 times 7 equals 42. What would be the other one?
7 times 6 equals 42.
And what would be my division equation?
42 divided by 6 equals 7.
What would be my other one?
42 divided by 7 equals 6.
42. Let me see how this works. Pretend that's the division sign, but you get the point. Because they told me this week that I could do a slash too, right? That's another way. So 42 divided by 7 equals 6. Okay, that's my fact family. How do I know that's my fact family? Same 3 numbers, right? So you're right. Answer is 7. Okay, 56 divided by 7 is 8.